Hello friends, in this video we will work with nested if and nested if else. If statement inside other if statement is called nested if statement. The syntax to use nested if is if condition or your expression. Again, inside if you can check another condition. And a statement like this. So this is the syntax of nested if. Here you can see if block, if condition is true, so this block will be executed. So this is for outer if and this is for inner block. Let's understand it with an example. Let's take a number from user. If number is greater than 10, use indentation, print number is greater than 10 if number greater than 50, print number is greater than 50. So here we used if inside a if. This is called our nested if. Run your program. Okay, invalid syntax because we have to follow syntax, so use this colon with the condition. Enter a number. For example, my number is 15, so 15 is greater than 10. When I enter 15, 15 is greater than 10, so it will print number is greater than 10, and 15 is not greater than 50, so this statement will not print. Let's run it again and enter 55. So 55 is greater than 10 and 55 is greater than 50. Both conditions are true. 55 is greater than 10, so it will print number is greater than 10, and 55 is greater than 50, so it will print number is greater than 50. In the same manner, you can use nested if else statement inside another if else statement is called nested if else. For example, in the same program we can do some modification. If number is greater than 50, it will print number is greater than 50, otherwise print number is less than 50, and for the first condition, here I use else. Print number is less than 10. So if number is greater than 10, it will print this statement. If number is less than 10, it means this condition is false, so it will not goes to if block, it will goes to else part and print number is less than 10. And in the same manner, if your number is greater than 10 or greater than 50, so it will print number is greater than 50. So let's see what will be the output of this program. First we enter 5, so number is less than 10, it means 5 is not greater than 10, it means this condition is false, so it will goes to else block, it will display number is less than 10. Again we run the file. As we enter 15, it will print number is greater than 10 and number is less than 50. 15 is greater than 10, so it will print number is greater than 10, but 15 is not greater than 50, so this condition is false, so it will print number is less than 15. So like this you can use nested if or nested if else statement. Based on these conditional statement, we will perform some more programs in our coming videos. Thanks for watching the video.